What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a Galaxy projector. I already have like 2 of these Galaxy projectors. My oldest, he don't use it no more, but my youngest still use his. He turned it on at night. These are actually good too if you doing different blogs. Y'all know how I have my lighting in the back. So the way I have my lighting in the back, it's strip lights, but with this one it just projects starlights. So let me go ahead and open the box for y'all. As soon as you open the box, you have a quick start guide, and okay, this one has the remote to it. All right, so they have, all this is English. That means, wow, that's a lot. All right, so we're gonna get into this thing. Now this looks a little bit different than the ones my kids have upstairs. This look like the mount. All right, we have the USB power right here. This is nice and long, longer than the one that I have upstairs in the kids' room. Yep, this is about 4 foot, you guys, so that's pretty good. And we have a nice remote. There goes the remote. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna pull down the battery slot. Well, you know, the paper that usually be with the battery to activate the battery. That's what I pulled down. The bottom base, y'all see the arch of it. It goes with the roundness of the projector, and you can put it in any angle you want to put it, but you're supposed to shoot it up in the sky. Well, your ceiling. On the remote, it says 30 minutes and 60 minutes, which is nice. Sometimes the kids turn it on at night, and if they make it to 30 minutes and 60 minutes, you have a timer that will cut it off by itself. We are going to plug it in and see what it looks like when the lights are off. So I do have it plugged in. Power is on. I want to see if it turns on with the remote. All right, so it don't turn on right away with the remote. So let me turn the power on from the machine. On here it says turn on the sky projector in the first place. That's what it says on the instructions, but I was just seeing if it turns on with the remote. All right, so we're pitch black up in here. Besides my other Gobi lights that's going off. All right, so I held the power button down. It actually has, is that the earth? I think that's the earth. And it's going with this red type of aura around the earth. Don't know what that means, but okay, we're gonna go with that. Now, let me play with my remote real quick. Let me see if I can hit the power button on the remote. So I hit the power button on the remote, it turns it off. Let me hit the power on the remote again, and it turns it on. So maybe I needed to hit the power on the projector, but now I can actually use the remote to turn off and turn on one single switch. I am going to go ahead. All right, so we're done with the power button. Let me hit this cloud right here. So when I hit the cloud, it changed colors like that. I'm gonna hit it again. You see it's changing colors. That's when I hit the cloud button, you guys. And oh, I like that. It kind of goes with my whole theme right here. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's the cloud. So we went over all of those. I am going to go ahead and hit the moon right here. So when I hit the moon, half moon, okay, the moon went away, moon come back. Moon went away, the moon comes back. So you could tap that if you want the moon there or not. I think it looked pretty cool like that, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like that. My kids projector don't do that. I wish it did because that's kind of cool, but as you can see, it's actually going around the whole wall. All right, you guys, now I'm having a little too much fun with it. That will be the end. And once again, you have a timer on it. Everything that's on the remote is on the actual projector. So right here, you have the half moon, and I know y'all can't see it because of the illumination. You have the half moon, you have the cloud, stars right here, power button, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, simple and easy. The only thing that I can say is that is a con for me, but it's not really a big deal if you have it stationed. The base, like if you want to turn this, you actually have to like make sure you go down here on the base and move the base, okay? This product is so cool, you guys. I believe your kids will love it. Especially you got younger kids and you tell them to turn the TV off, but they still want some type of light. You can aim this to the ceiling and put some what they call it, sleeping music on, or whatever, that lo-fi music or whatever. And yeah, so like comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.